Hey everyone, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. So today I just wanted to do a soft glam for you all, and I'm just going to jump straight into the tutorial. I apologize in advance to everyone if I sound like a grizzly bear. I am under the weather, you all, and it's been hard, but I still want to come through for you all. No matter how raspy I sound, I'm going to come through for y'all still. So I went in with LA Girl Pro Conceal today in the shade Creamy Beige for my base today, and I'm just going to pat that all over my lids, and then I'm just going to blend the edges with my brush. So next I'm going to go in with my Morphe 9B blush palette. And yes, I said a blush palette. Listen, if y'all don't have certain eyeshadow colors, use your blush, honey, for some pink shades. When I like to go for my little soft pink eyeshadow colors and I don't got that certain color, I'm using my blush. Then I'm going to go in with my 3.5R palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take this soft brown shade, and I'm going to use that as our second transitioning color for today. So now I'm just going to go back in with that pink shade and blend around the edges of that dark shadow that I put on my lids, because you don't want to leave any harsh edges. You want everything to blend so it can be a beautiful look in the end. So I am not going to cut my crease today. However, I am placing that concealer on my eyelids just so that eyeshadow can show up better once I do place it on my lids. And I'm just going to blend it into that transitioning color. So for my lids today, I went in with my 350 palette, and I chose this beige shade because I wanted to do a pink eyeshadow look today, but I didn't want the pink look to look too pinky. So I decided to go in with a beige eyeshadow base, and then I'm going to top it off with some more blush from that blush palette. And then I'm going to go in and put it on top of that beige shadow, and that's just going to create a soft eyeshadow look for me today. Once I'm done blending around the edges of that pinky beige eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and line my lids with NYC liquid liner. So I went ahead and placed on my foundation, and I used my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 365. And then I went in with my concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I usually don't use that concealer because I just felt like it didn't blend well to me. But today I said, let me give it another chance. Let me try it out again. And I found that when I rubbed the product in and then placed it on my skin with a brush, it blended out a lot better, and I liked the end results. So next I'm just going to take my Sasha Buttercup powder, and I'm just going to press that into my skin wherever I highlighted it. And I find that pressing it in your skin blends way better versus just dabbing it or throwing it on your skin. It blends way better when you press it into the skin. So while I let that powder sit on my face for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner. And then I'm going to go in with some Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick that I got. And then after that, I'm going to top it off with MAC's Lip Glass in the shade Snob. So once we're done applying our lippy, we're going to dust away any excess powder. So I haven't used blush in a while in my tutorials, but we already used it on our lids. So let's add some rosiness to these cheeks. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my powder to set all over my face. And that's from Maybelline as well. It's in the shade 40. And I'm going to set everywhere around my face. Once we're done blending in that powder, we're going to set everything in place with MAC's setting spray. Then I'm going to take my highlighter from the crayon case in the shade Anglola, and I'm going to add it to my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and in the center of my forehead. Then I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow to go underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to take that same pink shade that we used for our blush. I'm going to put it underneath that black eyeshadow just to smoke out underneath my eyes. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take some more of that highlighter and just highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And then after that, this is the finished look, honey. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Share this video with anybody that's trying to learn how to catch a look, catch a slay, honey. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. And please be sure to subscribe and cut on your notification bells. I love y'all. Bye.